Hello everyone, this is Manisha. So I'll be teaching Hindi and today's topic is Bharakadi. Today's topic is Bharakadi. So children, before starting the topic, I would like to revise what we had learned in the previous class. Yes, can anyone say me what did we learn in the previous class? Yes. So we learned in the first class of Bharakari, we learned A ki matra, E ki matra and E ki matra. Then in the next class, we learned U, Ru and A. We finished till A ki matra. So children, now let us learn from I to Aha. So matras from I to Aha. So children, first let me teach how to write. First, K plus I is equal to Kai. See children, this is a symbol. This is a symbol of I. This is a symbol of I. K plus I is equal to Kai. Next, K plus I is equal to Kai. See children, always this symbol should always come in the same way, like this. If this is following this word, then you have to write in the same direction. Never write one like this and one like this. This is wrong. This is wrong. Always write like this. K plus I is equal to Kai. K plus I is equal to Kai. G plus I is equal to Ghai. Gha plus I is equal to Ghai. Children, see, like this you have to write, you can write till H. H plus I is equal to Hi. H plus I is equal to hi. Children, write till H. You should not stop writing only in G. I have given few examples how to write. So like this you can write till H. In the previous class also I told write till H. This is how you can learn better. So K plus I is equal to Khai. K plus I is equal to Khai. G plus I is equal to Gai. G plus I is equal to Gai. G plus I is equal to Gai. Like that, it goes on till H plus I is equal to Hi. So children, let me show some examples for I ki matra. Okay? Okay children, now the standard form is K plus I is equal to Hi. Always the symbol should be this. This is the form that you should write. So I will show some examples for these. I ki matra. Yes. First example. Te, pair. First letter is pa. We have I ki matra. Fa plus, what is the matra we have? I. So, fa plus I is equal to pi. Fa plus I is equal to pi. And then you write ra plus a is equal to ra. Pair. First letter is pair. So, next example is bale. Bale is another example for I ki matra. You can now children till A ki matra I taught you with example how to expand and write. So now from I ki matra to aha ki matra I'll just give examples so that you can expand and write. Okay children, first one is pair, second one is bale, third one Maidan. Next, fourth one, Lisa. Fifth one, जैसा. So children, I have given 5 examples for each of them. Okay, you try expanding and writing like this. So you have to write k plus I is equal to kai. Suppose here, bail, bay, b plus I is equal to by, bile. B plus I is by, that is the first letter. L plus, there is no matra, so a ki matra, L plus a is equal to L. Bile. Like that, like that you can write. Medan, then Kesa, Jesa, like that. These are the 5 examples for I ki matra. Now, let us see O ki matra. How to write? First form, always write this form. K plus O is ko. See the symbol? This is a symbol. Did we get that? Yes. So k plus O is ko. This is the standard form. Okay. Next, write like this till k plus O is equal to ko. G plus O is equal to go. Never put matra for this line. You have to write one more line extra and then put. Next, G plus O is equal to go. Next, write like that till ha. Ha plus O gives you ho. See children, did you get everything with this symbol? This is the symbol. This is a matra. Did you get? Yes. This is Oki matra. What is it? This is Oki matra. You have to write for every letters. That is k, k, g, g. Then you don't have for nya. Then you can write till ha. That is cha, cha, ja, ja, nya, ta, ta, da, da, na. Likewise, you can write till ha. So children, now I will show few examples of Oki matra. Yes. First example, children. Tota. See this matra. For every letter, I will expand and show the first example. Okay. So plus, which is a matra? Look here, the symbol O. So you can write O is equal to to. Next, let's see which is a letter. Again, th. Let's see the matra now. We have, which matra is it? This is the symbol we have. So see the matra, see the letter which is that A ki matra. So we can write A. Ta plus A is equal to ta. So when you add these two and write, you'll get tota. Likewise, you can write for the next examples. That is more. Then fourth example, koyal. Poti. Ghoda. One more I'll give. Sixth one. Roti. See, for all these, the matra is same. That is Oki matra. So children, for these examples, you have to expand and write. So what we learned? I ki matra. We saw the standard form, and for all the letters how to write. That is k plus I is equal to kai. Pair, like that, bail, like everything, bile. Sorry, not bail, bile. Like that, every letter we saw. I gave 5 examples for I ki matra. Next, we learn O ki matra. O ki matra we saw for k plus a. Like that, every letter we saw till ha. Now I gave 5 examples. So then Au ki matra. Au ki matra also first we will learn to write the standard form, that is ka plus au is equal to cow. See the symbol? Is it same? Yes. Ka plus au is cow. Next, ka plus au gives you cow. Like this, for every letter we can write till ha. Ha plus au is equal to how. Ha plus au is equal to how. Children, you have to fill all these letters. So this is au ki matra. So first, ka plus au is equal to cow. We got the matra here. Be careful with matras. Only when you know these matras, you'll be able to read properly. Ka plus au is equal to cow. Like that till ha. So this is the first one we will be seeing and using all the letters. So let me give some examples for au ki matra. Kawa. First example, kawa. Second one, naukar. Third one, cone. Fourth one, dhod. Fifth one, lautna. Sixth one, pauda. See, when you read itself, you will be able to identify whether it is which matra, that is pau. Au it comes, au ki matra, cow, au ki matra, no, now, au ki matra again. Like that, you will be able to identify the letters. So children, first one, as I told, I will expand and show for you all. First one, kawa. Ka is the first letter. Next, plus which matra is that? Au ki matra. See the symbol, is it same? Yes, au. Au ki matra gives you cow. Next, which is the letter? A. Same thing, you can write it as plus A. When you add these two things, you will be getting kawa. What will you be getting? You will be getting kawa. So example is kawa, naukar, corn, dhod, lautna and pauda. Okay. So these are the examples of au ki matra. So we saw I ki matra, then we saw o ki matra, then we saw au ki matra. So children, now let us see the rest of the matras. So how many matras are left now? We finish A, I see the symbol? Yes, this is the symbol. Then we finish O ki matra. Then we finish Au ki matra. So we are left with and aha. So we will be learning ki matra and aha ki matra. Okay children? Okay children. So we learned from aha to au ki matra. Now we are left with and aha. So children, let us see what is the symbol of ki matra. Is one small dot on the top of the letters like this. Can you see the dot? Yes, like this you'll be having one small dot. one small dot, that is ki matra. Next we have aha. Aha, we have 2 dots. Can you see here? Yes, like this. This is a symbol of aha. Okay. So we'll be seeing ki matra and aha ki matra. First, we'll see So first, we will write as usual. That is ka plus gives you. Where should I write the dot? Yes, on the top. Ka plus gives you come. Next, ka plus gives you come. Where should I write? Again on the top. See these dots, can you see? I have written big so that you will be able to understand. Next, gha plus gives you gum. Again on the top. Gha plus gives you gum. Likewise, write till ha. Ha plus gives you So this is the way you will be writing. So in this form, you will be writing, that is ka plus gives you come. Like that, you will be writing till ha. So ka plus gives you come. Ka plus gives you come. Gha plus gives you gum. Like that, write till aha. You will be able to identify. So children, now let us see examples for ki matra. So first one, kant. First letter is ka plus gives you come. So first one I will show with expanding, okay? Next you have to do yourself. Ka plus gives you come. Next letter, identify the letter. Ka, ta plus, is there any matra? No. So we'll write ki matra. This is bina matra ke shabd. Ta. Ta plus is equal to ta. So when you add all these two letters, you'll be writing kant. Next letter, I will give few more examples. Do yourself, okay? Angur, Jhanda, Santra, Bandar, Anda. So these are the examples for ki matra. One example I have done for you all. Rest do yourself. I hope you will be able to do yourself. That is why I have not expanded. So you will be able to know where you are not understanding or where you can write better. So this is ki matra. So ki matra, ka plus gives you come. Like that you can write till ha. Then examples I gave, that is first one is kant. Kant, ka plus gives you come. Then ta plus gives you ta. Kant. When you add these two letters, you will be getting kant. See children, there is no matra for ta. So that is why we wrote ki matra. If there is no matra, then we'll be writing ki matra. So now aha ki matra. So in the same way, we will be writing aha ki matra. Ka plus, what is the matra? Aha. Ka plus aha gives you kaha. Here you got come, here you got kaha. Kaha has 2 dots. Can you see? Yes, I have written big so that you'll be able to see. See here, you have 2 dots, isn't it? See here, we had only one dot, that is come. Next we learned kaha. Aha, this is this is aha. has one dot, aha has two dots. So K. Next letter, K plus aha gives you Kaha. Again, two dots on the side. See here we wrote on the top. Here we are writing side by. Next one, G. G plus aha gives you Gaha. Like that, write till H. H plus aha gives you aha. So children, you can, one thing where you can identify whether it is and aha is has one dot, aha has two dots. So in this way you will be writing like this. You will be writing for all the letters, that is K plus gives you come. Like that, change only this letter, where Vyanjan you have to change only this Vyanjan, so that you will be getting the same Vyanjan with this Matra. Okay children, so this is the way you have to write. So I will show few example for aha ki Matra. So first one, Cha. Chaha. Chaha is the first one. Chaha means 6. This I need not explain. It is very easy. Chaha. Next. Second one, Punaha. First letter is Pa. See the matra? What is it? The curve is this way. Which way? It is U ki matra. If you write the curve this like this, if the curve is like this is U ki matra. If the curve is like this is U ki matra. See here, observe U ki matra and U ki matra. Did you get it? Yes. First one is Chaha. Second one is Punaha. Next, third one, Ant. Antapura. Fourth one, Man. So these are the examples for aha ki matra. First one, now we learned and aha. So children, so I hope this is clear for y'all. So in the first class of Bharakadi, we learned that is first letter was A ki matra. In A ki matra there is no matra, that is it is bina matra ke shabd. See, can you all observe here? Yes, in the first class we learned A ki matra, then we learned E ki matra, E ki matra, U ki matra, U ki matra, Ru ki matra, A ki matra. So children, till A ki matra we had learned in the previous class. Yes, from now in today's class we learned I to aha. So children, I will repeat and revise once again so that you will be able to understand. So children, we learned Bharakadi. In Bharakadi, in the first class, we learned 3 matra. That was A ki matra, E ki matra and E ki matra. I said A ki matra, that is the first swar doesn't have any matra. That is known as bina matra ke shabd. In the I think in the previous last class, that was when I taught you all that we learned bina matra ke shabd. Now we learned Bharakadi with matras. Bharakadi as matras. So that is why we learned A ki matra. In A ki matra you can see the symbol. Then E ki matra in the first class of Bharakadi. Next class we learned U, Ru and A. These are the 4 letters we learned in the second class of Bharakadi. Next, we learned I to aha. So children, first thing in Bharakadi is you should be able to identify the letters. Only when you are able to identify the letters, you will be able to expand and write. See here, for example, if you don't know which letter is this, you will not be able to write which is the letter and its matra. So that is why it is very important to know and identify the letters. So K is the first letter. we wrote kha. So which is the matra we had? We saw the matra and we wrote as one dot, aha has one dot. That is how we wrote this examples and expanded. So children, in today's class, we learned I ki matra to aha ki matra. So children, I gave examples. In examples, one example I expanded and wrote for y'all, and I have given all other examples for y'all to write. So this example will help you to write, expand and write, and see whether you're able to get the respective examples. That is how we learned Bharakadi today. So children, we finished Bharakadi, that is all the matras, that is from A ki matra to aha ki matra. So I hope this topic is very clear to you all and you have no doubt. So thank you and enjoy your day.